The Cosmopolitan. It's tart, sour and bittersweet. It's just like your ex-boss who got divorced and ran up her credit limit buying designer clothes that makes her look like a backing singer from a shit UK garage act. Hit that subscribe button. Okay, the ingredient lineup. Here we use an Absolut Citron. This can be replaced by any sort of lemon vodka. Cointreau, you can replace this with triple sec, fresh limes and cranberry juice. Start this off by adding 1.5 ounces, that's 45ml of a citrus based vodka. Now this is an iconic cocktail which has a varied history with different accounts of its origin, which traces all the way back to the 1930s. But the popularity of this drink with a flaming orange peel can be traced to the 1990s and the king of New York bars at the time, Dale DeGroff. Add 3/4 ounce, 22.5ml of Cointreau or triple sec. Then add 3/4 ounce, that's 22.5ml of fresh lime juice. Then finish up by adding 1/2 ounce, that's 15ml of cranberry juice. Add ice to a shaker and shake this for 10 to 15 seconds. Double strain into a martini glass. Then for the dreaded flaming peel, just keep the matches out of the way your psycho nephews reach, especially if they like lighting fires and still wet their bed, especially when they're an adult. Then burn off the phosphorus stench in the match just for a couple of seconds. Then run the match over the peel lightly on the outside. This will heat up the oils and then squeeze the orange oils over the flame. Let's tidy this up, express the oils and add to the glass. You can skip this part if you want to, nobody's going to be holding a gun to your head. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap and most will enjoy. Have a couple more and behave yourselves.